Have you ever looked at your phone and thought, I wish I could make it feel brand new again without actually buying a new one? If you own a Galaxy A55, there's a way to do exactly that, and it doesn't cost a dime. The trick is a little Samsung app called Good Lock, and trust me, once you try it, your phone won't feel so mid-range anymore. Now, let's be honest. The Galaxy A55 is a solid device. When it came out in March 2024, it quickly became a favorite among people who wanted good value without spending flagship money. But as good as it is, sometimes you just want more customization, more control, and maybe even a little more fun. That's where Good Lock comes in. If you're not familiar, Good Lock is Samsung's own customization platform. For a long time, it was only available in select countries. So even if you had a Galaxy phone, you couldn't use it unless you lived in the right place. But last year, Samsung lifted those restrictions and made Good Lock available worldwide. That means if you've been holding onto your A55, you can now download it straight from the Galaxy Store or even from Google Play. So, what's the big deal? Well, Good Lock is like a secret toolbox filled with all kinds of tricks to personalize your phone. It comes with modules, basically mini apps inside the app that let you change how your phone looks, feels, and even works. For example, Theme Park lets you design your own themes in seconds. Wonderland allows you to create animated wallpapers that actually move. Lockstar lets you build new lock screens and always-on display styles, while Keys Cafe gives you a totally customizable keyboard, complete with typing games, and that's just scratching the surface. You can redesign your quick panel with Quickstar, play with edge lighting effects for notifications, customize navigation buttons with Navstar, or even tweak your sound settings with Sound Assistant. There's also Multi-Star for split-screen multitasking, Routines Plus for advanced automation, and Camera Assistant for more detailed control over your photos. It's basically like unlocking hidden powers inside your A55. Of course, there are a couple of catches. Not every Good Lock module is available in every country, even after the global rollout. And because the A55 isn't as powerful as Samsung's Ultra or Fold models, some features just don't work fully. For example, Game Booster Plus doesn't include the same performance options you'd find on a flagship, and Edge Touch wasn't available on the A55 we tested in Europe. But honestly, that's part of the fun: experimenting, testing limits, and seeing just how far you can push your phone. What's exciting is that the A55 still supports a big list of Good Lock modules. From customizing clock styles with Clock Face to managing notification history with Notistar, you'll always find something new to play around with. Even little tools like Nice Shot, which expands screenshot options, or Nice Catch, which monitors weird background actions, can make your phone feel smarter. And the best part, you don't have to be a tech wizard to use it. Everything is straightforward, with menus and options that guide you step by step. Within minutes, you'll start to see your phone transform into something that feels uniquely yours. So,